Hi, this is Rahul, and today we are going to know how to reassemble a hard drive.
Especially
This is
Pinto Pandas.
Especially yes, this is Windows hard drive, and right now I'm going to reassemble a hard drive which is a PATA parallel advanced technology attachment hard drive. So the very first thing is I'm going to put down the disk holder here, and we have to keep in mind that we have to match the edges just like this. I'll be taking the screws and mounting them. Well, let me go ahead and put the disk first. Then we are going to put down the ring over here. We'll go ahead and attach them. This is not actually the official way how the hard drives are assembled, because I'm not in a vacuum right now. We are adding a lot of dust over the disk. This entire thing is going to take a long time, so I'll just be bolting down the very first screw. I'll be taking a break and putting down all 6 screws here, then we'll continue. Now this is the last screw I'm going to cover here, and this will hold our disk. This entire disk was of 40 GB. That was a single disk. Now the next thing we are going to cover here is we are putting down the magnet parts here. These are really very strong magnets, and I just did something with my finger here. I'll have to use a screwdriver in order to go ahead and detach these two parts. See how hard these magnets are. So I'm going to put down the very first one, the base one, and let me see. Okay, here we go. Boy, that was and as you can see, these systems are lying here. This is actually our testing zone. We do all our computer testings over here. Me and one of my companion, one of my partner, Vivek Chaudhary, he'll show you his face.
ये नहीं डालना पहले पहले हेड डाल हेड बीट चेंज करनी पड़ेगी हेड के लिए
Pause. Now this portion, this is called the head, which actually reads the data from your plate, the disk especially, and this is the most difficult part of the hard drive to assemble it. So I did take my time to assemble it. Now I'm just going to screw it down, and this will be done within a few seconds. Here it is done. The next thing I'm going to attach is its connector. This will be connected with a PCB board, you can see down there. I'll put down 2 screws. It's done.
Upper magnet.
Now we are going to attach the upper part of the magnet. Now what I said was this was the most important part we had to attach with the hard drive. The next thing which we are going to do is to attach this particular magnet part, and here we go.
बस हो गया. Okay.
I just put down the upper part of the magnet which is holding this particular what we call it, the head portion. This is actually, you know, to control the movement of this particular head part. It is locked right now, so you can see now. As per the electromagnetic effect, the head part moves. Now I'm just going to screw it down. Now the entire hard drive is built. Next part I'm going to do is to cover this hard drive with its plate, and this hard drive belongs to one of my best friend. His name is Saugat Das. You can see the name here. He specially signed this hard drive and asked me not to open this, but I have done that. I'm going to attach it, and before that I'll have to put this particular thing. I don't know what it's called and why is it there on the hard drive. Let me cover this. Okay, it's done.
बीच वाला बड़ा वाला नट.
This is the warranty nut. If this nut is broken or this screw is broken, warranty would not be provided by the company.
उल्टा लगा. ठीक है.
Warranty screw is done. Then you go ahead and put down all the 4, 5, 6 screws and attach it carefully. This portion will be taking.
क्या अभी ये रहने हो गया. कोई नहीं आ ड्राइव करनी. रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है.
So as you can see, we have reassembled the hard drive, and I'll hand over this hard drive to Pintu Panda. We'll let him know that this drive was faulty. It's a brand new. That's all. And it's done now. This is our first official video, and you will be finding some more videos in the coming days, and my group is called Workers Group. Please subscribe. And hard drive is done now. This is a brand new hard drive now, and this is my first official video. You will see a few more videos coming up with the fun over the hardware, and please subscribe to our channel. We'll come up with funny videos related to the hardwares. Thank you.